Hello, this is my video for my active anchor chart. The standard I chose off of the National Geography standard website was the one of identifying and describing the categories of characteristics that define a location as a place, which, for example, they gave were weather, characteristics, population density, architectural styles, landforms, vegetation, cultures, and types of industries. So here is my anchor chart. I do not have a full hard piece of paper, so this is just a kind of a wobbly, flimsy one, so that's why I have to stand. So up at the top right here, it's kind of hard to see, but I have weather, I have what makes a location, and that is my main question. I have students to come up and try me. It's for 3rd grade geography. And then so on this side I have culture, and I have some pictures of culture: flags, Chinese dragons, India, different races, Mexico, music. Landforms and vegetation was also one of my objectives. So I have, this is just showing students how each one compares. So I have the buildings in New York City, I have different vegetation. So those are some cactuses and the rainforest. It's kind of hard to see. And then over this side was the weather. So I have a picture of the sun, I have some Alaska glaciers, I have Hawaii landforms, hurricanes, just different types of areas that weather affects, so it's easy for students to visualize that. And then I have population and industries. So I have a picture of a lot of Chinese people all crammed together, and then I have a picture of Jackson, Wyoming. So that just really shows the difference between the two. So then in the middle I have all of my activities, if you want to call them. These cup ones go along with the question, what do you think makes a location special? And then I have these sticky notes, and students will pull off a sticky note, write what they think makes the location special, and tear it off and put it in a cup. And then at the end, after each one I've gone through the active ink chart, we will discuss what each student put into the cups. And then down here I have an egg carton to resemble the question, what is hatched from a location? So inside this cup, attached to the egg carton, I have little pieces of paper, and students will take them off. And then so like this one, I also want them to only do one word answers for this question. So like this one says food, and then they're sticky also, so then they stick them into the egg carton. And then at the bottom, it's kind of hard to see, I have attached a little mirror. It's a baby mirror, but it goes along with the question, what oh, it's down here. Whoops. When you look in the mirror, what makes you different from your classmates? So this just gives students the idea of, wow, I'm different because of how my family is, and blah blah blah, different cultures. We eat different foods, we have different faces, it makes us different, but we're also a lot the same as well. So here's my anchor chart for the level of 3rd grade, and my location or my topic of what makes a location a location. Thank you.